The holidays are over, the house is a mess, and you're officially cooked out. But we still have to eat, right? Welcome. This is Cat Scratch Kitchen. And if you're feeling that post-holiday burnout, today is for you. We're making a dump and go white chicken chili in the Instant Pot that's a total lifesaver. It's thick, creamy, and has just the right amount of zip. Honestly, it tastes like you spent the whole afternoon hovering over the stove, but in reality, it took just 5 minutes of prep. If you want a dinner that's high reward and zero effort, then grab your apron and let's get it in the pot. We start out with half a cup of chicken stock or chicken bouillon. Now we're going to add 2 large chicken breasts. Now mine are thawed, but in the Instant Pot they don't have to be. You could add these frozen, so you don't even have to plan ahead to thaw your meat. Next we have a 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed black beans. A 15-ounce can of white beans. These are like cannellini beans. Any white bean works. These are drained, not rinsed. I have 1 medium chopped onion. This is the only prep you really need to do, and if you want to get away with it, you can buy the pre-diced onions in the grocery and just use that. Then you don't even have to chop an onion. I have a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. If you have family that doesn't like tomatoes, you can always stick them in your food processor and blend them and make it like a puree. That works great too. I have 2 cups of frozen corn. You could also use 2 cans of corn, and don't drain it. I want to use half a can of a 4-ounce can of chopped chilies. Now the other half of this can I'll put in the container and freeze. They freeze fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to stir this around just a little bit. Make sure that stock stays under your chicken so you don't get that burn notice. Now I'm going to add our spices. I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin. Now to replace that, if you wanted, you could use a package of taco seasoning. Work just as well. Then I have ranch dressing mix. Now this one happens to be the dressing mix that we made ourselves, and I store it in a jar and have it around all the time. I'll put a link for that down below in the description. And I'm going to use 1 package of ranch dressing, or if you're using your own, it's 3 tablespoons. The last spice I'm going to use is paprika. I'm using smoked paprika. Adds a really nice flavor to your chili, and that's a half a teaspoon. If I forget to say what the measurements are, the recipe's always down in the description, so you can check there and find it, no problem. I'm going to stir this just a little bit, just to spread out the spices, and still keeping the chicken on the bottom. And now to the very top, we're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. And you want it separate it out into like 6 pieces or more. Mine is whipped cream cheese, which is fine also. And you want to place it on top, and don't stir it. Just place it on top. So now we're going to put our lid on our Instant Pot. Set our valve to seal. Then we're going to set our temperature to high for 20 minutes. And when we reach our 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and let it naturally release for 10 minutes, and then we'll open it up and finish up our chili. Okay, we've had our 20 minutes of cook time and 10 minutes of natural release time. Now we're going to go ahead and release it the rest of the way. And be sure and open the lid away from you so you don't get a steam bath. Now we're going to go ahead and take our chicken out so that we can shred it up. And I'm going to give our chili that's left in here a good stir so that the cream cheese can completely melt. And I'm just going to shred our chicken with 2 forks. Or if you've got one of those little rotary shredders, you can use that. Now we're just going to add it back into our pot. Give it a good stir. And you can see how thick and creamy and delicious this is going to be. And just like that, it's ready to serve. You can sprinkle some cilantro on top or put some sliced avocados on top. Serve it with crackers or tortilla chips. And it's all set. Your family won't know that it only took you 5 minutes to put together. And in less than an hour, you've got a fantastic, warm, cozy, filling meal for your family with minimal effort on your part.